Put your hand up if you've been to a 5 Seconds of Summer show before.
Okay,
that's a good result. This is going to be brand new for all of you. So, this is a part in the set where we sing a song about you. And no, it's not She Looks So Perfect, okay? This is going to be a brand new one. This is going to smash the Philippine. This is called Voodoo Doll. It's called Voodoo Doll. It goes like this. I'm going to play it in D. Okay, so this is the part where we make up a song about you and your country, and your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country. It's a pretty complex. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna make it easier. Okay, so the lyric is Vanilla in Manila. This is what I've been planning all day, and I need you guys to just go with it and just don't upset me.
I got writing credits on this. I helped you. I said the Vanilla in Manila thing.
I made it up first.
I made it up.
That's
way better. I knew that all day.
That's easy. Vanilla in Manila, Vanilla in Manila, Vanilla in Manila, yeah. Vanilla in Manila.